Whenever I see bullying, I don't know whether to say something or tell somebody or just stay out of it.
Me and my friends eat lunch in the courtyard so we don't have to get messed with.
Sometimes you feel like you should just keep moving, or you could be next.
The effects of bullying go beyond those who are bullied and those who bully others. Almost every child and his or her family can be affected to some extent. Introducing No Bullying, a free app for your smartphone that's designed to help prevent bullying. Based on years of research and expert input, No Bullying can help you start a daily conversation with your kids that's designed to build resilience and prevent bullying issues. In fact, just 15 minutes a day of guided conversation can open a healthy dialogue with your child. The app features conversation starters, and you can set up profiles for all your kids. There are even reminders, because regular conversations are the key. Try No Bullying and put the power to prevent bullying in your hand. It's available free in your smartphone's app store.